nasıl kanapeyi, okay? Okay, so explain what we have here. Yeah.
First one is stuffed cherry tomato, stuffed by fish and salt and pepper and onion
Okay.
and peppers. And this one is cucumber coleslaw. This cucumber and top of coleslaw garnish with strawberry. And this one mushroom tart. We make ready-made tart and cream of mushroom and garnish with tomato and parsley.
Okay. Okay. Yes. No seasoning.
But the end of the week, there's some spice coming.
From the
From coleslaw.
yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so explain your dish what we have here.
It's the ring lamb, the lamb shake with marinated with salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit soy sauce.
Okay.
That's it, and we cook in the oven.
Okay.
And after that, we serve with sweet chili sauce.
Okay.
And serve with baked butter. Royal baked butter is inside is sour cream and butter.
Okay. Good. Very good. Okay.
How does it cook? Is it medium, well?
How you
This
cook?
is medium.
Medium. Okay. It's impressive, but I've never seen somebody putting a string, left the string on. Well done already.
It's a shame.
Yeah.
Because the taste is actually not bad. But totally only for that, it's all very overcooked.
Should more actually. They should go with a little bit more with the sauce. Heavy with the sauce. They should go heavy with the sauce in this dish. And we it was a medium, but
Massive.
they couldn't. Yeah, they couldn't. I think,
Huge portion.
they couldn't balance it.
Very difficult. to do
Again,
like
sauce
this.
is good, but
Yeah.
the garnish and
I appeal.
Team one, right?
This
Yeah.
is was team one. Yeah. Okay, so what we have?
This one have blueberry tart
Okay.
with some blueberry sauce.
Okay.
So,
And what's the filling?
filling just whipping cream. Down
Okay.
we have seed.
Okay. What?
Just seed.
What's it? Relax. 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 What's it? What kind of seed?
It's a flour,
Flour.
flour, egg, butter, and milk. We make the dough and just make like a apple pie. We are making the seed in the dough. Then we make the
Ah,
seed.
you're baking blind baking with
Yeah,
the
yeah,
seeds.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
now I understand. Okay, and some cream and blueberry, yeah?
Yeah, blueberry and
And then what is this?
apple.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Yeah. I know. Sugar on it. Sugar free this.
where do they get the parsley from?
Give us some flavor.
Soup in a bread bowl.
Okay.
First thing, we make bread. The ingredients of the bread is flour, yeast, salt, sugar, and then oil. And then we make the bread and then baking. After that, we make the soup. So the soup is zucchini potato. Zucchini potato, we boil the potato and zucchini in the boiling water until make it mush. And then we blend it. After that, we put the other ingredients for taste, and then the cream. And then that is our soup in the bread box.
Okay, so what is the other ingredients? What do you have inside?
Nothing, chef. Only the soup.
What's in the soup? What do you put inside?
In the soup is zucchini, potato, salt and pepper to taste,
Yeah.
and then little butter,
Okay.
and then cream.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's creamy.
A little bit more seasoning will be good.
It's a little bland.
Uh-huh.
It's,
Creamy.
I only really can taste the potatoes. The
Yeah,
zucchini doesn't really come through. It's just bland.
It is a little bit bland, yeah.
But
Presentation is nice.
the bread is great. Yes.
Color texture is very nice.
So this is our main dish, fish in a caper sauce. So first thing, I make the pasta, the ravioli pasta with ragu, and then love inside. And then after that, I cook the fish in the butter. After cooking the fish, we make butter caper sauce for the sauce.
Okay.
And then I plate like this. That's our fish and a caper sauce.
So that's your main course, eh?
Yes, chef.
It's a bit solid.
Capers.
This homemade and everything.
Yeah. From scratch, everything from scratch.
Everything. Homemade. Wow.
Yeah.
It's good.
The fish actually tastes. The fish is actually
Fish
nice.
is nicely cooked, yeah. But the sauce is missing, no?
Sausage.
Look nice.
This name is caramel mousse in the orange mousse. Caramel mousse contain baba creamer inside, like caramel babarwa or custard.
Okay.
And combination of the creme brulee also.
Okay.
And this orange mousse, this contain inside the pistachio babarwa or pistachio custard. That's it.
You working in pastry before? Okay. We have one team, only pastry.
Taken up.
Thank you.
I the number.
Thank you.
It's pretty good, huh? Yeah. If it was not melting, the sauce is also good.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
put the sauce together, it's good.
Yeah, but the sauce is actually very good.
That's what I'm
The
saying,
sauce
yeah.
is helping.
Sauce is
Otherwise, it can
helping,
be
yeah.
too sweet. Yeah.
Sauce is refreshing.
We should have stayed away from the second one, the sweet one.
Yeah, one of
This
these
one
can be,
doesn't
you know,
do.
it can be like this, and then around you can
Let's have some nice fruits.
fruits around.
Yeah.
Chop,
I
chop
think
fruits.
this one doesn't do much to me.
Yeah.
But at least they've done some chocolate garnish, you know, some spilled over chocolate. No?
For team number 3 appetizer, we have seared lamb with pureed avocado and julienne lettuce.
Okay, so that's your appetizer.
Yeah, the
Okay.
lettuce is just with lemon vinegar.
Okay, and then we have here.
Avocado, we have grilled peppers. The avocado is puree with lemon, olive oil, and salt.
Okay. That's good. Fantastic. Thank you.
All right.
Avocado is tasty, good, but then it's very bitter.
The lamb's nicely cooked.
Then next, yeah. I agree with you.
Yeah.
Onion, yeah.
Onion is nice, huh?
for our main course, we have baked fish with lemon caper sauce and juliana vegetable. We wrap it with napa cabbage.
Okay. Very good. And then we have here mushroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Red radish with some boosted tomato.
Okay. Very good. And what do you have in the cabbage? So you have julienne vegetable?
Yes,
And
it's inside the cabbage. We wrap some of it on the cabbage.
okay. It's not cooked enough. Raw, no? No. And the sauce? Everybody talks about the caper butter sauce, but I don't see any sauce.
And most of dishes actually there's less sauces. I don't know.
Huh?
I think they didn't think about it. Sauce is very important. Sauce.
They say lemon caper sauce, but I don't see any.
Fish, unfortunately, it's skin is like.
Should be crispy, no?
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
It's actually a deconstructed halo-halo. Halo-halo is a Filipino dish.
Okay.
In English, it's mix.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, yeah, twice.
So the mix went to separate.
Yes,
How
yes,
you say separate
exactly.
in Filipino?
Hiwalay.
Hiwalay. So it's a hiwalay.
Yeah, hiwalay version. So
Very good.
usually we serve it under shaved ice. So the shaved ice will be coconut milk
Okay.
sorbet, and we should have a jello on it. So we have the mango but I made a puree and make it a little bit more dense.
Okay.
Not too dense.
Okay.
And then we have our creme caramel. In Filipino, it's leche flan. It's like a Spanish version of the creme brulee.
Okay.
And then we have grilled fruits, which is pineapple, dragon fruit, and peach, because we don't have actually the one they use from back home. So we
Very
use
good.
the tropical fruits for it.
Good. Fantastic. Thank you. Hello. Deconstructed. Some creativity in there, no?
Good. Better than pasta.
Without problem.
Crispy potato.
Okay.
Seaweed chicken garnished with arugula and then crispy bacon.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Good. Okay. And what's marination or what do you have in the ceviche?
Ceviche fish is brancino fish inside.
Okay.
Garlic, onion, lemon juice, salt to taste for the seasoning,
Okay.
pepper, salt.
Okay.
It's supposed to be a little bit spicy.
Okay. Supposed to be?
Supposed to be a little bit.
Okay. It is.
It is,
Okay.
but less spicy.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's try the little bit spicy. Actually quite nice. Slightly feeling, I like it.
So they marinate same like
Yeah.
ceviche?
Yeah.
You did
Yeah.
marinate?
Yeah. I like the idea of the potato underneath. Makes it gives a little bit of
Crunch.
a crunch right there. Huh?
Here's the spice at the end.
In the end, yeah. But very nice, huh? I like the idea. The colors is nice, huh? Color is nice.
We have this garlic mustard marinated lamb with the potato pumpkin mash and then ratatouille.
Ratatouille, okay. And
Yes.
okay. And the sauce?
Yeah, sauce is the lamb sauce.
Okay, very nice.
So how did you make the sauce?
Sauce reduce the red wine. Make it roll. and some take the lamb stock and then reduce the stock and then mix it with the roux and everything and the seasoning.
Okay. How did you cook the lamb? What temperature?
The lamb 145.
No.
What should be the temperature of the lamb? Medium rare, medium
Medium rare.
rare.
Yeah, I cook 3 of them rare and medium rare, like that. That's why I bring the 3 plates.
Sauce not good.
The sauce is less again.
Yeah. Diet.
What you're buying.
A little bit blunt, the lamb, no? No salt, huh?
Oh, I'm afraid of the season.
Yeah, but not in the puree.
These are very nice, Emma.
Huh? Yeah.
Very nice.
Your lamb,
Emma.
your lamb look good.
Yeah, but yeah, there is seasoning less seasoning.
The veg cook should have
Sauce is
worked
not.
to connect together with the lamb. Because the ratatouille, I think, is very salty.
Purees.
Ooh. Yeah, the vegetable is very salty. Yeah. Over here?
We have a plain vanilla orange mousse with berry sauce, which is simple. Made it with sabayon, mixed sabayon on it.
Uh-huh.
Add some garam onion for the orange sauce,
Okay.
for the orange mousse.
Orange mousse, okay.
And this,
So you have 3 layers.
yeah,
So one layer is orange, and the white one is
it's vanilla.
vanilla, and then the bottom one is,
This is one layer.
huh?
It's one layer.
1 layer. This one here. Okay. Okay.
It's orange and vanilla mousse.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. Even the cream has flavor. The berry sauce too. Okay. Good. Okay, first of all, thank you very much. Okay. Well done, you know, I think it was very good. First time you done something like this and on the ship, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it's nice to see on Quantum of the Seas to finally join the fleet, okay? We actually have Iron Chef competition throughout the fleet on a lot of ships already. So you guys are the first one. Nobody can take away that from you. Yeah, you're the first one ever did this on Quantum of the Seas. So great job. Okay, thank you for coming. Was not easy, I guess. Yeah, was hard work. Huh? I just wanna, Marcus, you wanna say something? Yeah.
Congratulations, Iron Chefs 2017. Yes.
Thank you,
Well done,
Jake.
guys, and we really appreciate, you know, that you took your time out of your schedule as well. And I must say, I mean, whatever we got to try, it was quite interesting, and there was definitely a lot of culinary talent around here. So, well done, everybody. You made it very, very hard on us because after we added this course, it was very, very close. So. All of them, as you can see, there's some beautiful dishes out there. So, yes, so I guess you all want to know who's the winner.
There is something for you?
Well, yeah, it was a great job, and thank you for your hard work there. It's a nice combinations, great ideas to see, you know, what talent we have instead of, you know, preparing every day same menu in the ship, which we used to. So it's amazing to, you know, you guys is something, you know, remarkable here. So, congratulations.
Thank you. Very good. Okay, team. So, like I said, the judging, of course, was involved with inside, what happened inside in the galley, what happened outside in the galley. Okay, on the presentation. Okay, you guys really overall done a very good job. Of course, there is only one winner normally, correct? But the good thing is, actually, in my point of view, you're all winners because you step forward. I have a team of 2 yellow scarves, 1 blue scarf competing against the Red Dragons here, you know, all CDP's team, you know, so I think it's very, very encouraging to see. So don't be disappointed about your scores, because in my point of view, everybody's a winner, okay, because that's the main thing, okay. Of course, one team has to win, so we start with the fourth winner. The fourth winner. Okay. Our fourth winner today is team number 1. Okay. You guys done well. Okay. Overall, you had some good creativity there. Okay. But make sure that finishing touches is very important. Okay. Also, teamwork. Stay as a team. I found in the beginning you guys were struggling because you give a lot of points away in the galley on your teamwork because you disagree from start one, you know. So the first 20 minutes you could not agree on the right menu, then you started preparing the menu, then you wanted to change the menu. It's very important that you work as a team. That's why we're doing this, okay? That's why I wanted to have a team competition and actually judging that because that's very important to work together as a team, correct? Yeah? But overall, well done, but 4th place, okay? 3rd place we have team number 2. Okay. Very good. Okay. You guys put a lot of effort in. I think the dessert, I wouldn't mind to put it on the menu, okay? Also chocolate, using the chocolate and everything. The main course was a little bit small, okay? Also remember, you forgot the lamb. The ravioli is a short solution, okay, but also with the portion size is very small. Okay, you let yourself down. Also, you said the sauce. I hardly see a sauce on the plate. Okay, you're all a little bit stingy today on the sauces and the seasoning. Okay, seasoning was also and the pasta needed a little bit more cooked. Okay, it was nice to see that you guys tried to make fresh pasta. I was very impressed with that. It's good to see that, you know, you really took the bull on the horn. And I mean, the bread roll with the soup was fantastic. I loved it, and I think also Marcus enjoyed it very much, okay? With the soup, for example, let it down with the seasoning. That's why I say, guys, take your time when you plate, taste everything before you plate, you know? Make sure the flavors are right, okay? Okay, so team number 4 is on 2nd place. Let's go back to team number 4, okay? Of course, your flavors, your presentation was very nice, okay? I think we all agree the appetizer was nice. I think this one will be easily working in the restaurant here for the guests, okay? It was very creative, okay? The biggest letdown on this dish, I can tell you this, we all agree, is your seasoning. Okay, the lamb was perfectly cooked, but the veg cook and the roast cook should have worked together as a team. Because I think the veg cook, the veg cook stole all the salt, and the roast cook had no salt left for his lamb. Okay, so sadly the vegetable is very over seasoned, okay, and the lamb was very under seasoned. Okay, so you work next time a little bit closer to each other, so the roast cook gets some salt as well. Then I think it would have been very nice. Okay, so that's the only thing about my concern. I think we all agree with that. Okay, but well done. I mean, all the dishes look very beautiful presented. Okay, fantastic job. Okay, then of course, not very difficult. The dream team. Yeah. Okay, okay. I think what you saved, in my point of view, was very good. You done some creative work. Okay, this one here, again, the sauce was a little bit missing. Okay. And the vegetables were a little bit underdone, but the fish was cooked nicely, okay? But next time the skin, keep it upstairs, not on the bottom. Okay, because I saw you actually cooking it nicely, but then you turned it the wrong way down, okay? You should keep the skin, if you serve fish with skin, the skin always on top. Okay, and then this one here was very creative, I think, on the dessert side, okay? You probably have a new name for it. What's the name for it? Huh? Not hello, what's the other? Yule. Okay, so we have a new dish created on Quantum of the Seas, Yule. Okay, so creativity was very good, so do something different, that's what I wanted, okay? So, also this one is very different, you don't really see this on the menus in Royal Caribbean. So well done, okay, so congratulations to all of you. Okay. So from my side, I hope everybody enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it, and I think my sous chef team as well. And pass on how it was, because maybe the next people who are gonna enjoy the competition. You know, they want to see as well how it is. So don't be demoralized or anything, because I think you all done a great job. Okay. First Iron Chef, thank you. Thank you.